Yes, so we're going to do a few songs. I'm Rachel Mack, or Little Mac, and this is my brother Greg, the G-Man, MacDonald. It's not G-string, just have to point that out. That would be wrong. Just going to move my microphone a bit. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for us? Excellent. Here we go. This is a little song called Rain in Rottingdean. I used to work in a village called Rottingdean. 2, 3, 4. It's 1:28 and the village is still as I walk down a quaint country lane. And the pitter-pat sound on the pond on the green is so peaceful that I hesitate. I'm holding my breath as my eyes take it in. The sight I behold is so rare, as the moon casts its glow on the valley below. The pleasure is mine, I'll not share. The stars in the sky aren't so vivid tonight. The thunderclouds stride through the sky. The rain may be cold and my clothes may be thin, but I'm warmed by the glow from the road. Oh, I sat with the boys drinking Guinness tonight, and the mood was a fine folly fair. But the barman called time, so I wind my way home through the rain in Rottingdean. It's 1:29 and the place is so still, not a soul shares the moment with me. Folks shelter at home in their beds, unaware of the magic I've witnessed for free. Oh, the thunder may roar and the lightning may strike, and the flooding may hinder my way, as I rest here alone in this beautiful dream in the rain in Rottingdean. Oh, I sat with the boys drinking Guinness tonight, and the mood was a fine folly fair. But the barman called time, so I wind my way home through the rain in Rottingdean. Yes, I sat with the boys drinking Guinness tonight, and the mood was a fine folly fair. But the barman called time, so I wind my way home through the rain in Rottingdean. 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 Thank you very much. All right, this next little song was written by my younger brother here, and it's a song called Down.
Twisting and turning, her body is burning. She don't wanna feel this way. Keep holding and squeezing, be the voices of reason, saying everything is okay. As the room starts to spin and it's closing her in, she thinks she will die here tonight. Joking and laughing, but it's getting me nothing. Thinking that she might be right. She goes down, 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 down. She needs help, yeah. She goes down, 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 down. She needs help, yeah. She goes down, 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 down. She needs help, yeah. She goes down, down, down. This terrible night seems there's no end in sight. She's thinking she might not survive. She's thinking terrible things and the nightmares it brings hoping we get out alive. As the morning day breaks and the whole house awakes, we're hoping we've been through the worst. Another night I can't do, so we've gotta pull through, 'cause this little one must come first. She goes down, 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 she needs help, yeah. She goes down, 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 she needs help, yeah. She goes down, 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 she needs help, yeah. She goes down, down, down. She goes down, 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 she needs help, yeah. She goes down, 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 she needs help, yeah. She goes down, 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 she needs help, yeah. She goes down, 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 she needs help, yeah. She goes down, 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 she needs help, yeah. She goes down, down, down. Thank you very much.
Okay, moving on to a little song that I wrote about the war. Kappa 1 2, Greg. Kappa 1 2. This is about, my boyfriend does a thing about war films. And it's like, oh God, war films. But I started watching them, and there's like lots of love stories intertwined with all these war films and things. So this little song's called Soldier Song, which is a bit of a naff title, really. But it's basically about a World War II soldier that goes off to fight in World War II, comes home to his true love, who he's known all his life, and things just aren't the same. Start on the right fret, does help. There's a man in the street with a load on his back. Like a shadow he glides through the night, and his torn woolen threads, stained with tears, trod with tread, shroud the man like a shield from the fight. As he walks with the mist like a ghost in the night, how it swirls and envelops his frame, and he staggers and sways, alone with his sorrow, while his true love stands calling his name. Oh, lover, come home to me now. You've been such a long time away. Oh, look what has happened to us. Can I ease all your worries away? Oh, you can see the man dance, you can hear how he sings, and his harmonies dance on the wind. But the guile in his eyes is obscuring the smile that had once placed the kiss on her skin. As he lays like a ghost in the dead of the night, in the old matrimonial bed, she whispers sweet nothings to the curls on his head, but his blue eyes just stare straight ahead. Oh, lover, come home to me now. You've been such a long time away. Oh, look what has happened to us. Can I kiss all your worries away? Oh, lover, I'm at home with you now, but I've seen many terrible things. I'm sorry about what's become of us now, but war changes the way a man dreams. No one the street with a load on his back. Like a shadow he glides through the night, and he'll never return, no, he'll never look back, while his true love wipes tears from her eyes. He walks with the mist like a ghost in the night, how it swirls and envelops his frame, and he staggers and sways alone with his sorrow, while his true love stands calling in vain. Oh, lover, come back to me, please. You've been such a long time away. Oh, look what has happened to us. Can I ease all your worries away? Oh, lover, come back to me now. You've been such a long time away. Oh, look what has happened to us. Can I ease all your worries away? Thank you very much. All right, I firmly believe in asking the universe for what you want. It works. I believe it works. And this is a song about just that very thing. This is called Spoke to the Stars. Overwhelmed and overtired, not thinking clearly, no peace for my mind, head in the sand, can't quite understand, no clear direction or money in hand. So I looked to the stars and I made some demands. You can take what you want if I can just have that man. And I prayed to the darkness, prayed to the light. I prayed with the songs, but I never lost sight of this thing that I wanted so bad. I never thought he'd come back, I never dreamed he'd stay. Was he always with me, or were we pawns in that same old game? I never thought he'd come back, I never dreamed he'd stay. But I spoke to the stars, and it seems they were listening that day. Aching heart and passing time. I may have seemed crazy, but I knew I was perfectly fine. Head in the clouds, my eyes on the prize, focused intentions and the power of my mind. Oh, I looked to the stars and I made those demands. You can take what you want, but I must have that man. And I prayed to the darkness, prayed to the light. I prayed for his love, but I never lost sight of the woman that I truly am. I never thought he'd come back, I never dreamed he'd stay. Was he always with me, or were we pawns in that same old game? Never thought he'd come back, I never dreamed he'd stay. But I spoke to the stars, and it seems they were listening that day. Overwhelmed and overjoyed, can start thinking clearly now. My troubles unwind. Heaven and hell, oh yes, and limbo as well. All of them plagued me, but I fought them off well. As I look to the stars, as I make those demands, as I lay with my man, as I reach for his hand, I pray to the darkness, I pray to the light. I will cherish this man and I'll never lose sight of his love that I wanted so bad. I never thought he'd come back, I never dreamed he'd stay. Was he always with me, or were we pawns in that same old game? Never thought he'd come back, I never dreamed he'd stay. But I spoke to the stars, and it seems they were listening that day. Yes, I spoke to the stars, and it seems they were listening that day. Yes, I spoke to the stars, and it seems they were listening that day. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And then go back if we've got time. I don't know how long we've got. This is our Eminem medley. Just wanna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just wanna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Hey kids, do you like violence? Want to see me stick 9-inch nails to each one of my eyelids? Want to copy me and do exactly like I did? Try a sin and get messed up with my life is? When I was just a little baby boy, my mama used to tell me these crazy things. She used to tell me my daddy was an evil man. She used to tell me he hated me. But then I got a little bit older and I realized she was the crazy one. But there was nothing I could say or do to try to change it, cause that's just the way she was. They said I can't rap about being broke no more. They said I can't rap about doing coke no more. Don't think I won't choke no more till the vocal cords don't work in the throat no more. Sing with me, sing for the air, sing for the laughter, sing for the tear. Sing with me just for today. Maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take me away. Sometimes it feels like the world's on my shoulder. Everyone's leaning on me. And sometimes it feels like the world's almost over, but then she comes back to me.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why. Got out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. And even if I could, it'd all be great. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
Sometimes it feels like the world's on my shoulder. Everyone's leaning on me. And sometimes it feels like the world's almost over, but then she comes back to me.
And I want to thank you for giving me the best day of my life. Oh, just to be with you is having the best day of my life.
Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken. You have the drumstick and your brain stops ticking. Watching X-Files when the lights on, with all the maze on. I hope this wicked mountain is one like Harrison Ford and getting frantic. The stingy's tantric, the stingy's guaranteed to satisfy. Curacao make mad films, they don't make films, but did that have a samurai? Dream on, dream on, dream on. on, dream 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 on, dreams come true. Thank you very much. Cheers.
I take it a few of you recognise those then. Okay, I'm still waiting for the signal that the judges are back, so I'm just going to keep playing until they tell us that they're done. All right, this is a little song called Painting by Numbers. Kappa 1-1, yes? Indeed it is. I'd like to dedicate this to our number 1 fan. Number 1 and number 2 fans, Lowry and Dawn, here at the front. Lowry knows all the words to this one. Okay, 2, 3, 4. I woke up today with my party clothes on and a storm in my head. Don't know which way, I don't know which way the day's gonna flow, and I could cry, but that won't get me anywhere. Maybe I'll see him today, maybe I won't. Wish I could see him today, I probably won't. Do I really want him here to stay? I'm dancing in puddles and painting by numbers while everyone's watching. I don't know which way, I don't know which way I'm gonna play. Oh, and I have changed. Maybe I'll see him today, maybe I won't. Wish I could see him today, I probably won't. Do I really want him here to stay? I woke up today with love in my heart, and I owe it to you to explain just how I'm feeling. I know which way, I know which way I wanna go. I wanna go my way, my way, my way, with you at my side, with you at my side. Maybe I'll see him today, maybe I won't. Wish I could see him today, I probably won't. Do I really want him here to stay? Maybe I'll see him today, maybe I won't. Wish I could see him today, I probably won't. Do I really want him here to stay? Don't know which way, don't know which way, don't know which way. I don't know which way, don't know which way, don't know which way. I don't know which way, don't know which way, don't know which way. I wanna, don't know which way, don't know which way, don't know which way. I wanna, don't know which way, don't know which way, don't know which way. I wanna go. Oh, 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 no. Thank you very much. You've been a really nice audience. Thank you.
Rachel, don't get excited. Carry on. Have you got more?
Yes.
I know this isn't to build tension, and I know they have to say this at every kind of competition, but it is really, really close between, well, all of you pretty much. It is really close. So the judges are in deadlock. They're working really hard, but the standard was so high they're really having trouble. Bear with us. Rachel's going to carry on, and we will have a result as soon as we can. But you're all too good. It's just they can't decide. I went in there, and they genuinely are really having trouble. So,
all right.
Once again,
Thank
Rachel
you.
Mack and the G-Man.
Cheers, dude. Well, it's a bloody good job. I planned to do more than 5 minutes, isn't it? Good job. I wrote some more songs. This is a song called Chasing Dreams. I'd like to dedicate this to everybody that I know and love in Llandudno. I'm only here till tomorrow night. It's been ace to be back. And I miss you all and love you all. Remember the day I left home in the fall '94, waving goodbye as I walk with my bags down the hall, feeling like something will change, knowing it can't stay the same. And when I come home in a year or so, you'll have moved on. Sat in my tumble-down room feeling lost and alone. Wallpaper peels off the wall and the lighting is low. A photograph pinned to the door, a 12 o'clock telephone call. The lyrics pour out and the tears start to dry, and I'm home. I'm chasing dreams. Wait for me. Chasing dreams. Wait for me. Sat at the mic in a dusty old basement with Beggar's Farm, telling the tale of a young girl who's breaking her heart. I'm writing the chorus again, remembering how I felt then. If my life is a song, sing it loudly and let it play on. I'm chasing dreams. Wait for me. I'm coming home, coming home. Chasing dreams. Wait for me. Remember the day I came home, it was spring '99. Ooh, leaving my bags at the door, how I ran to embrace you. Feeling the loneliness fade, knowing you all felt the same. The lyrics still come, now I'm grown and my life carries on. Still chasing dreams. Wait for me, I'm coming home, coming home. Stay with me while I'm chasing my dreams. Chasing dreams. Chasing dreams. Stay with me while I'm chasing my dreams. While I'm chasing my dreams. Chasing my dreams. Thank you very much. Have you heard him? All right. It looks like the judges still aren't back then. I've heard that they're in deadlock. So do you want another one from us then? Okay, who likes Bare Naked Ladies? I didn't mean actual Bare Naked Ladies. There would have been a much bigger cheer for that. Who likes actual Bare Naked Ladies? All right. This song should be all right then. Take it away, Gregory.
Drove downtown in the rain, 9:30 on a Tuesday night, just to check out the late night record show. And call it impulsive, and call it compulsive, you can call it insane. When I'm surrounded, I just can't stop. It's a matter of instinct, it's a matter of conditioning, make it a matter of fact. Dr. Landy, tell me you're not just a pedagogue, 'cause right now I'm lying in bed, just like Brian Wilson did. Well, I'm lying in bed, just like Brian Wilson did. So I'm lying here, just staring at the ceiling tiles, and I'm thinking about what to think about. Just listening and re-listening to Smiley Smile, and I'm wondering if this is some kind of creative drop, because I'm lying in bed, just like Brian Wilson did. Well, I'm lying in bed just like Brian Wilson did. And if you wanna find me, I'll be out in sandbars, just wondering where the hell all the lovers go. I'm playing my guitar and building castles in the sun, whoa, 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 and singing fun, fun, fun. And I'm lying in bed just like Brian Wilson did. Well, I'm lying in bed just like Brian Wilson did. I had a dream that I was 300 pounds, and though I was very heavy, I floated till I couldn't see the ground. I floated till I could not see the ground. Oh,
Somebody help me, I couldn't see the ground. Somebody help me, I couldn't see the ground. Somebody help me.
Because I'm lying in bed, just like Brian Wilson did. Well, I am lying in bed, just like Brian Wilson did. Ooh, yeah. Drove downtown in the rain, 9:30 on a Tuesday night, just to check out the late night record shop, late night record store. Call it impulsive, you can call it compulsive, you can call it insane. And when I'm surrounded, I just can't
Stop.
Thanks very
Thank
much.
you very much,
Cheers.
ladies and gentlemen. I do believe that there's an envelope on the stage.
Bore ddigion, bore ddigysau. Unwaith eto, cyn i ni gyflwyno'r canlyniadau. Rachel Mack and the G-Man. Give it up once again before we reveal the results. Rachel Mack and the
Thank
G-Man.
you.
Weren't they awesome? I had a
you.
cider backstage. I was loving that. But then they ruined it. Okay.
It's the moment of truth.
It's too late for that. It's in the envelope.
Oh my God.
We've got...
So exciting.
Before I... They're going to kill me. The judges have asked me to say it was so difficult. They really... That's why they were so long. They could not decide at all. But they've had to.
There can only be one
Adam,
winner.
they've done a first, second and third. I want to be careful I don't rip the envelopes.
At this point, we should just say that every band that took part actually is a winner, because to perform at such an amazing venue is an absolute privilege. In all fairness, there's very few local bands that have had the privilege of playing at Venue Cymru, so well done to every one of you. I'm so proud of you all. All right.
Yn drydydd, in third place.
Yes.
Hero
Amelia. Woo! Oh. Well done, Hero.
An Aisle.
Second.
Yeah, that's right. Well done.
Dippenbach, Dippenbach.
An Aisle. Sarah Louise.
Woo!
Oh,
Diane, Sarah, Louise Owen. We need a drum roll.
can we have a drum roll? Bang your tables. Health and safety. Ac yn gynta,
In first place.
after 3. 1,
2.
3. Pocket Venus!
Well done.
Pocket
to
Venus, where are you?
Venus.
Dyna chi.
Woo,
Tyd yma.
woo, woo.
Simon, dewch â chynida. Come on.
Come on, guys, get on the stage.
Dewch hogia. Come on.
Hey,
Oh, my
mind the
God.
cables. Well done.
Just to confirm, it says at the bottom of the page,
Well done, you guys.
very difficult.
Testing. Oh, we're on.
Have we got an emotional acceptance speech? Who do you want to thank?
Yes. Oh, don't let him near the
Yes.
mic, please.
I'm touched. I really am. Oh, yes. Well, I am now. Hey, Rach.
You're enjoying that way too
Rach,
much.
keep clear of my dressing room. A4.
Carlsberg. Are we supposed to do a speech or something now?
Well, I think... Are you too pissed to do another one?
I think you should do another one, boys.
I
bass
reckon it
player
should.
is.
Do you want to hear another one from Pocket Venus? They've been drinking heavily, so this performance may not resemble the first performance in any way, shape or form.
Play what, Dave?
You are live, do not swear. That's asking for trouble, innit?
Okay,
Are we ready?
Are you boys?
Can I just say one thing before we start? I'd just like to I've got to do the thank everyone, and all the other bands were really good. I really love the dude from Rill, Pet Harris or Calvin Shop. That dude that did that.
Chameleon.
I loved all that. It was good. But I will say one big thank you, and that's to Mr. Crud. So there are some singles from 1977 that are out on the tables. But yeah, well, listen, we thank you. We like the opportunity to play it. We've really enjoyed it. And to be fair, everyone stayed, and thank you very much for supporting us. Thank you.
Take it away, Pocket Venus!
Pocket Venus!
Thank you, everyone!
Right, apparently I've got to plug this now. You can get this on iTunes. So it's our new single. This one's called Back to Make It Better. Where did you come from when you walked through the door? Nobody heard you, they all chose to ignore. I don't know why you came back at all. Opening wounds there, healed now some. I can't get over look on your face. You just deny me. You're far from great. How can you stand there with tears so fake? I'm not the case of no give, just take. All these tears are cried for nothing. All this pain was caused by you. Now you're back to make it better. All I did was make it through. I can't get over that look on your face. You just remind me I fall from grace. How can you stand there with tears so fake? I'm not the case of no give, just take. All these tears are cried for nothing. Why don't you go back to where you came from? I just don't need you. My feelings have gone.
Unwaith eto,
Thank you very much.
y band llwyddiannus, y band unigol, Pocket Venus.
Pocket Venus, everybody, well done, congratulations.
Well,
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being such an amazing audience. We wish you a very fond farewell and good night and drive safe home. Thank you very much, everybody, for supporting live music locally.
Diolch yn fawr, nos da.
Because the storm is raging on a rolling sea, and I can see what we've become.
Just to settle up the score and then see. What's about to be said? Are you seeing it's not fair? Trying to find out simply who we are. Did you say this is a dried out thin chalet?
It's just picking it on me.
Can't fight it, just still not here.
Wish I could see him today, I probably won't. Do I really want him here to stay?